So this idiot right here is gonna go in the field. It's like really, really windy out.
I have to lay down in the field?
No, don't we have to like, I don't know. We're like trying to fight the wind. It's not right. It's not really bad right now though.
I have to lay in the snow.
Huh? I dare you to lay in the snow. Go ahead. Dude, it's probably like cold. Oh, it's really cold out here.
I'm going over here to lay in the snow.
Have fun. I'm not doing it.
Ah, my arms burn! Oh! Okay.
Okay. Oh my god.
Ow, splinter.
Penis!
Wait.
Big. Wait, what?
Biggest pen. Pen is.
Penis. Oh my god, it's cold!
Ow. Ah, snow on my skin.
No! I'm not!
Okay. I'm gonna get like hypothermia. Damn. Okay. Now you just have to wait for the wind to pick up.
Dude, this is funny as hell. What if it...
I dare you to lay in the snow.
No. I'm good.
Come on, wind.
Yeah, really. Oh. What? Yeah.
It burns! Oh, look!
Dude, my hands are
Oh my god, it's cool! Taste the snow! Oh my god! Oh, I think we should go in now.
Yes.
Oh my god, it freezes! Oh my god, it's like -10. Oh.
Sorry if this is like really wiggly, guys.
Oh, penis. Oh my god. It's completely freezing. Look at my ears.
My hands are burning. Go. I have to pee.
Oh. That was amazing.
I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Bye.